So I want to show you loss of thrust on both engines.
Oh no.
Pum pum.
Can you stop on the runway? Because we still have 10 minutes, I'll show you something.
Hello my friends and welcome, my name is Dennis and as you probably know I'm the airline pilot. The guy on the left name's Robert and he's just 17 years old, but he knows how to fly the Boeing 737 because he's one of the leaders of Virtual Ukraine International Airlines. It's the simulator community and those guys are helping me a lot with my flight simulator. I'll put their link to the video description and you may check their flight simulator community, you may join them, it's for free my friends. So now we're gonna airborne, I'll shut down both of the engines and that will be a surprise for the Robert. Let's go.
So we're gonna use flaps 5 for takeoff. It'll be RTO, everything is set. Speed brake down. Yeah, just take off.
Any modes?
No, the V2 is the same, everything is the same, so we may just airborne.
Okay, check.
Yeah, both engines stabilized. Toga. And one toga. Takeoff thrust check normal.
6,000 feet remaining.
80 knots.
5,000 remaining. 4,000
V1,
remaining.
rotate.
3,000 remaining.
Boys straight?
Get up.
Yeah. And just climb straight ahead, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 400 feet. I'll set the heading. Follow the heading, please. And we'll accelerate. 180. Okay, just accelerate a little bit. Okay, speed is ready. Flaps 1, yes.
Check
Okay,
speed. Flaps 1.
we're gonna climb higher. Sorry for that. We're gonna climb to 6,500. Speed okay?
Flaps.
Okay, flaps up. Gonna do everything like this. Gonna start the APU. Because we don't have time, so I want to show you loss of thrust on both engines.
Oh no.
Just gonna a little bit more to the left. Okay, just waiting for the APU. And go to the right. Okay,
Crap.
we lost 2 of the engines. And just fly like this. The APU is on. And just turn on heading 176.
Vertical
Speeds.
speed, please.
Yeah.
Throttle.
And the airfield elevation is 500. Do you see something?
No, runway is not in sight.
Yeah, just turn. And maintain speed 200.
200, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, turn. We are quite above, so it's okay.
A bit too high.
It's okay. Just go on final. It will drop down very fast if you would like to. The frequency I cannot see. Oh, 111, that's on 3. It's just for you to see the ILS. Runway 18 left, sorry.
Okay, so give me flaps with speed. when speed decreases.
Yeah, we can select flaps 1 if you wish, but not the gear
Yeah.
for now. So
You can
the
take runway 18 right.
Yeah, we can take runway 18 right, whatever you wish.
Okay.
Flaps 1 green.
Sure.
We'll see that the vertical speed is quite high, so
Correct.
you 18 right is quite okay. Then you are established on final, select the gear down, etc. So the speed will drop very fast. We can go with flaps 5.
Yes, flaps 5.
Flaps 5. Yeah, now probably need to select gear down.
Gear down.
Gear down, and we should reach the profile. Okay, it's not working. Oh, it's working, yeah, but it's not.
We don't have engines.
We don't have engines. Okay, flaps 15, right?
Flaps 15.
Yeah. Ouch. Should be fine. If you're high, you still have the speed brakes.
Yes.
I would recommend now still maintain flaps 15.
Yes, I will arm.
I think we'll extend it a little bit. Just to reach the profile. Just a little bit. The vertical speed is high, but it's fine. I'll retract this speed brake and select the flaps, alright?
Flaps.
30.
Flaps.
I'm gonna set the missed approach, but we don't have engines.
Too high.
Too high, but we know that. The speed is fine. Speed is perfect. Flaps already 30.
Too high. Too high. Too
Yeah,
high.
speed brake
Too
up,
high.
auto brake in use, no reverses. Just stop on the runway. Perfect. Cool. Yeah. Thank you, Robert. It
Thank
was
you.
fantastic. Yeah. Nice decision to take the runway 18 right, which is further away. But you see, it was enough, yeah, for
Yes.
altitude. Yeah.
My friends, it was just a small part of our flight that day, so I'm gonna release the full flight from Chisinau to Borispol that we've done with Robert. And now please follow the awesome guide checklist, because I know that you are awesome. First, just like this video, after that, subscribe to my channel. Finally, ring the bell, whatever it means. Thank you very much for watching this video, my friends, and have a great time. And guys, just want to remind you that I have the Patreon page with unique content on it, and if you want to support the channel, follow the link to join the Patreon crew. Thank you. Stay awesome.
Pam pam.